Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money to Binance from your bank account. All right, so first up, gotta log into Binance.com from your browser. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, okay, so go ahead and go to the top right, click on the deposit button. You just click on it. Now go ahead and select the currency right here. For example, you'd like to deposit USD. Okay, so go ahead and use the search bar, find USD, click on USD. Now it says here deposit USD or buy crypto directly using your USD, or you can buy crypto directly from users, okay, with competitive pricing. So if you just want to deposit money, just click on deposit USD, deposit BHP, deposit Euro, or some other currencies. Now in here, you can go ahead and deposit via Apple Pay, okay, for USD. If you choose BHP right here, you can be able to deposit via Gcash, I think. Yep, e-wallet, okay, depending on your region. So we have here bank transfer, via card, or Google Pay. So just basically select one payment option, hit on continue. And if you're already verified, in the next page, it will just ask you how much would you like to deposit. And once that's done, you should be good to go. You should be able to see your money under your wallet right here, overview, under spot, or funding. Okay, that's basically it. That is how you deposit money to Binance from bank account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.